Today marks a truly significant day in the history of Stehr's company. The world's very first fully electric high-pressure fire truck has been successfully tested. Built upon the foundation of the fully electric KGM Musso pickup, the era of modern emission-free firefighting officially commences today. Why is this development changing the market? The patent-pending technology is designed for maximum efficiency with minimal resource consumption. The system is ideal for deployment in sensitive environments such as factory halls, parking garages, or underground car parks, as it operates emission-free and extremely quietly. Maximum efficiency. With just 30 liters of water per minute at 200 bar, a fine high-pressure extinguishing mist is generated. How it works? The water mist simultaneously extracts heat and oxygen from the fire. This maximizes the extinguishing power and significantly extends the operating time of the 400-liter water tank. Multifunctionality. The integrated hydraulic pump can operate rescue equipment, shears, spreaders, cut-off grinders, and a water-filling pump. Smart farming firefighting. A specially designed application transmits all pertinent operational data, including location, battery status, pressures, and water supply in real time directly to your smartphone. Whether as a rapid response vehicle or a flexible solution on a forklift for incipient fires, Stehr provides the forward-looking answer to the modernization of emergency fleets. Our sincere gratitude goes to the Vogelsberg Kreis Fire Department leadership who stood by us with their expert advice, and to KGM Germany who made the carrier vehicle available to us without any complications.